In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove noise from your audio in KineMaster. So if your video has an audio and the audio is not good, let me show you how you can reduce the noise and make your audio more clear. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the audio track, and I'll select this like this. And once you have selected, then we have this window that will open, and down here look for this option called noise remover. And if you go ahead and toggle on noise remover, you'll be required to go ahead and download the plugin. So go ahead and then download the plugin, and once you have downloaded the plugin, you'll be able now to remove the noise. So for my case, I'm not going to download the plugin, but that is the process that you should use to be able to remove the noise from your audio on KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.